What's going on, money friends and the viewers of the tube? Today we're going to be doing our day 3 of the Betfury crash challenge from $10 to $100, and we are already at from $12 to $75. So we are going to get that last leg of $100 before we move into the next strategy. So definitely like and subscribe. So you guys don't miss out on all of our time-sensitive material. So I am going to be, like we started, with 30 cents and keep doubling that until we decide to not. So this, I might have missed this good one. I think there's going to be some good, I don't know, there might be a few runs that are not that great because it seems like a lot of green lately that I missed out on when I was firing up my computer. But yeah, we are already gonna double. Remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is risky, and always consult a professional. Do your own research. And I would definitely expect a few losses, quite a bit. I mean, 1.3, 1.7. Seems like a lot of wins recently, and not a lot of losses. So we'll take the 5, maybe even a 3. We'll double here in a second and keep doing this strategy. So see, a few losses in a row. You got to make sure that you're able to account for that, because if you don't, then you will be not happy with your bags. So doubling it up, we need to get at least a 3 or a 4x to make sure that we're in the profit. These $2 here and there are not going to cut it, especially 2x. But especially since we've betted 4, 3, 2, so that's like $10. We're already down what, $12? I think that's 12. So now we need to make sure that we at least get a 2x or more. Like I said, probably a 3x to make sure that you get our earnings back. So I will take probably the 3x here. I'll have to double it again, and then get out going forward. So there we go. This is the moment of truth. Are we going to get the 3x, or are we going to get stumped out? We have 2 more tries from doubling. Actually, we might have 1 more try, but we'll take this to a 3x if we hit it, and then we'll get we'll take it out. So we are now at $100. So that concludes the Betfury challenge of $12 to $100. Next up, we will be doing 100 to 500, and then from 500 to 1,000. So we definitely will be leveling up our game and showing you how to do this step by step. So remember to like and subscribe. Follow me. Subscribe, smash the like button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.